Right. Here we go. We're covering what I consider to be our difficult strings. And the reason why I consider them to be difficult because they can be used in so many different ways. You really have to know these. These are one of the few methods where the name kind of doesn't really tell you. You got an idea, but it doesn't really tell you what the method does, like ignore case or equals or two uppercase, two lowercase, dot starts with, the very easy ones. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to go over substring. Now, as I said below, I'm just going to make, as you can see, I cleaned out my console by making everything a block comment. Okay, oops. Proceed, I got an error here, so that's fine, ignore that. So I'm going to say string word equals hello there. Okay, so what a substring does, we have this word dot substring. Let me put it in a print statement. Okay, what it does is there's two types, one with one parameter and one with two parameters. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover the one with one parameter first. So I say word dot substring, and I'm going to say 4. Okay, and I want to see real quick before I explain it what it prints out. This prints out O space there. Now substring with one parameter, what it does is it basically says change the starting index from 0 to 4. Here's where people get confused. It's not the fourth letter. If it were the fourth letter, it would be 1, 2, 3. It would be the second L. But the fourth index is 0, 1, 2, 3, the O. And it is inclusive. So when you have one parameter, it is saying the new starting index is one parameter, or is 0, and print everything out. That is why I got O there. All right? So that's substring one parameter. Again, it feeds off indexes, just like index of P, etc., etc. Okay, the next one, word.substring 46. If I take a look at this now, actually I'm going to change this to 9. This one has two parameters, OTHE. What this says is start your substring at the 4th index, okay, and go to the 9th index. However, inclusive of whatever is at the 4th index, exclusive of the 9th. So technically, you're only printing out 4 to 8. So I have 4 to 9, so that would be O space THE, and R is the 9th index, but because we don't include that, we don't have to run it. So again, one index, substring one index basically says change the starting index. Substring 2 parameters says change the starting and the stopping. Now I want us to take a look at this really quickly. What I'm going to do is for example, I'm just going to copy and paste this. I just need to see the length real quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this. TH, save it. Run it. Okay, it's 11. So now what I'm going to do is this. Take a look. 11. Now I want you to notice something. What is the highest index? The length minus 1. So technically it should be 10. But here's why this is legal. This will actually print out O there. It goes to 11. Nothing exists at 11. But because we're exclusive of it, as long as there was something before it, you're covered. You're good. No errors. Specifically because it's exclusive of that second parameter. Now, if I go 2 over, that's where I get my error. Because I'm at 12 now, I go back to 11. There's nothing that exists at 11. Now at that point, we have an error. So keep that in mind. Okay, at least in my classroom, I will quiz you on that to make sure you know that. Okay, so these are the substring methods. And if you have any questions, please see me in class or just leave a comment. All right, have a good one.